if you're given the length of an arc formed by an angle and you're given the angle, what you're going to do to find the radius is still use our same old arc length formula. So remember, our arc length formula is arc length equals theta, which is the measure of your angle in degrees, or your arc, whichever you're given, multiplied by the circumference, which is 2 times pi times the radius, all over 360. So what we're given is that we have an 88-degree central angle, so that's going to be our theta, and we're given the arc length, so we're going to plug that in for L. So I'm going to plug in what I'm given. 29.18 equals 88 degrees multiplied by 2 times pi times the radius over 360. Now since I have a fraction, what I'm going to do is put this side over 1 and cross multiply. So that's going to give me 360 multiplied by 29.18 equals, and then multiply 1 times the other side. And remember, multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. So it's going to be 1 times 88 times 2 times pi times r. So my next step is going to be to use the calculator to simplify all of this stuff. So I'm going to multiply 360 by 29.18. That gives me 10,504.8. And on this side, I'm just going to multiply that 1 times 88 times 2, which was going to give me 176 times pi times the radius. So again, I'm trying to solve for the radius, which means I need to get rid of this 176 pi. So I'm going to divide both sides by 176 pi. On this side, it cancels out and just leaves me with r. On this side, I'm going to use the calculator to punch that in. So 10,504.8 divided by 176 pi. And that gives me 18.998. So if I round that to the nearest tenths place, that would be 19.0. Our units were centimeters, so our radius would be 19 centimeters.